Welcome to the Hill College Skills Lab. I'm going to demonstrate our medication administration today utilizing our new WOWs and the SimChart barcode scanning. So the first thing you're going to do is you'll be assigned a bed before you come in. On the chart there should be, on the end of it, it should show the bed number, so you're going to pick that bed number. I see that I have bed number 3, that's going to be Miss Mandy Harper. So I'm just going to pick up that chart. And inside that chart, there'll be doctor's orders, and I'm going to pick up those physician orders, and I'm going to take that with me to my WOW. I'm going to go ahead and put her chart back, and we're going to go over to the WOW. Once we're over here at the WOW, you'll have logged into your simulation. Let me just go back here. You'll come up to your SimChart, you'll go down to simulations, skills practice demo, and then you'll pick up whatever patient you have. I have Miss Mandy Harper. And I'm going to go ahead and click to access that simulation. And I'm going to continue with phase 1. From here, I already have my doctor's orders. I can go in and look at those provider orders under provider charts, go to provider orders. Just verify that it is the same, and it does compare. It does. Instead of me having to work back and forth across the MAR to this order, I'm just going to go straight into the MAR, and I'm going to use my paper order to look at it. One of the things that you want to make sure that you do when you do this is that go down your list on your MAR, on your orders, go down your list on your orders. You want to make sure that you work from top to bottom. If you work from the MAR to the orders, you're more likely to miss a medication. So from here, I'm going to look at this, and I show that the first medication that I have is going to be Coumadin, 5 milligrams by mouth every AM. I do show that she has a Coumadin, 5 milligrams by mouth daily at 9 o'clock AM. That is a good order. Then I'm going to look at Relafin, 750 milligrams by mouth daily. I do have Relafin. If you look at this, it doesn't come up with the brand name, but if I hover over the Nabumetone, it does come up with Relafin. It is 750 milligrams orally daily at 9 a.m. The next order I have is for Temazepam or Restoril, 15 milligrams by mouth daily. I'm sorry, at HS. Temazepam, Restoril, 15 milligrams orally at bedtime. That is a good order. The next one I see is insulin Humulin N, 14 units subcutaneously BID. I do show an insulin NPH, 14 units subcutaneously twice a day at 8 a.m. The next thing I'm going to look at is ampicillin, 300 milligrams IM BID. I do have an ampicillin, 300 milligrams IM, every 12 hours, which is twice a day. The next order that I have is tuberculin purified privative PPD. That's to be a TB test, 0.1 ml intradermal on admission day 2. Read it in 72 hours. So I do have a good order for tuberculin, 0.1 ml intradermal once today at 9 a.m. The next order I see is acetaminophen, and that's going to be down here in my PRNs. Acetaminophen, 650 milligrams PO every 4 hours as needed for temperature greater than 101. If I hover over this, it does show me that PRN dosing for a fever greater than 101. It is for 650 milligrams orally every 4 hours as needed. The next thing that I'm going to see is going to be the insulin regular. And if you'll notice here, when I hover over the name of the insulin regular, it gives me a large box. And what this box is it's going to be my sliding scale protocol. And so I see that I have an order for a regular insulin subcutaneously twice a day. So I do see that I'm supposed to have an order for regular insulin subcutaneously twice a day. It says see instructions. So when I hover over this, it says give an addition to NPH per moderate dosing sliding scale protocol. So that is exactly what my order says. And then I'm just going to verify that these numbers are the same based on what I see. So at less than 70, initiate hypoglycemia protocol. That is correct. 70 to 30 is 0 units, 131 to 180 is 4 units, 181 to 240 is 8 units, 241 to 300 is 10 units, 301 to 350 is 12 units, 351 to 400 is 16 units, and anything greater than 400, we're going to give 20 units and call the MD. And that is exactly what it looks like on my order. The box is the same. I just want to verify that those are correct. So I've checked all my orders. Everything does look correct. So when I'm finished with this, I'm going to give this to my instructor. I give my provider orders to my instructor, and I will be working primarily off of my WOW now with my MAR. So the next time we pick up, we'll be going to the Pyxis and getting our meds.